the other thing we're going to do today, you can see right here, there's a dent. Now when I'm driving the car, I focus on two things: the dent and that bouncing hood corner. So we're gonna pop this dent. We gotta take the tire off, and we're gonna have to take the fender liner out. So I'm under the car, inside the fender, and I can feel it right here. So when I push on it, so what I have is this flat spoon looking thing. I'm gonna give it some light taps. So this thing looks hideous, but it's multi-purpose. Speed breaker, tire installer, dent remover. I'm gonna start with a little hammer. And I wanna find my spot. There's a crease here, right? I can just move it right there. Switch hands again. This might bounce the camera off. I don't know. There's not a lot of room under here. How we doing? It's moving. Almost. Just a little bit more. I think we got it. Yeah, we got it. There's one down here too. I'm gonna have to get this one. It's much smaller though. What you don't want to do is go too much. Then you got a bump. I mean, you can come back and tap it back down. Put some towel on top of it and give it some light taps. This sheet metal is really thin, so you can work it a little bit. That's even better. You kind of got to give it a long look down the body line. There's a lot of reflection, sorry. Okay, I think I like that. So what you have to do is be careful when you're leaning on this. It's really soft. Don't stick your elbows on the ridge. I already put a video up on putting the wheel liner, and y'all should know how to put a wheel on. Y'all take care. Stay well. Thanks for watching.